In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple slimmer detox drink that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, detox and cleanse your body of various toxins that will prevent the storage of fat cells within the body. I will explain the benefits of having this super simple slimmer detox drink as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling smoothie consists of only 4 simple ingredients that are easily accessible throughout your home, or you can literally find them within your local grocery store. These ingredients are 1 grapefruit, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, place them in a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This simple and healthy slim and detox drink is perfect to have before meals to help the body break down fat cells faster so that they don't get stored in the body. And again, this is a super simple meal that doesn't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised how good it actually tastes. To get your day off to a great start, it will help to satisfy your appetite and increase your energy levels. So if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.